Hi, hi. My name is Neda, as you know, and I just love to make things. It's something that I really enjoy, and in this channel, I'm trying to show you how you can make something or give you some idea. In some of my videos, you can see my friends from right there, and we make things together. Actually, I use their tools, and sometimes I forget to get them. Here you can see different things. I started this channel actually 5 years ago, and this was my first video that I made with my daughter, and we made some fun, and there is some other things, ladies things for girls, and then I started to making something just for me, and this is those videos. And now I'm sharing with you. Sometimes I'm not good in taking photos, so my photos doesn't look that good, but the latest one here, key of jewelry folder, is actually a very good thing. This one I haven't done yet, it's still wait to something. This one is done. I made another lamp, and this is a night sky lamp, so it's pretty cool. I forgot to take photo when I finish it, but it is pretty cool. Someday I will, I guess, post. This was present. So that's all. I just wanted to share with you my thoughts and this, what is this channel about. If you have any idea, please write me and say, comment, like, whatever. I hope that I will inspire some of you, so good luck.